So right here we have the DURATECH 11 combination stubby wrench set. This is a standard set. Now, people may not know what standard, or when people say, hey, is it American and all of that stuff. Basically, standard American uses fractions, okay? Just in case people don't know. And, other people use metric, which is millimeters, 11, 10, 9, 8, 11. It's just, that's what people like. People like the millimeters because it's easy. If you have left elementary school for a long time and you may not know, then, it could get confusing. A lot of old school people use fractions. So if you at your uncle's house, pop, granddad, whoever, more than likely they use this set, and they will ask you, give me a ½ inch. Hey, give me a size down. You be like, which one is the size down? Or they ask for a size up, and you're going to be like, That's if you don't have a pouch have them in order. But more than likely, your granddad and everybody don't have a pouch and have them in order. They have it in a regular toolbox. But this is very nice. You get a case with it and has a button right there. Mini size, has a 15 angle arch to it. So you see this arch right there. This is not the ratcheting kind, you guys. This is regular old school kind. 12 pointer right there. 12 point engraved chrome DURATECH. Yeah, so basically this is the standard, you guys, and we have a 1 inch size. So that's insane because I don't have too many 1 inch rinses. ½ inch, perfect. And then if I need to, I just use this. Take this screw off just like this. All right. And again, if I needed more leverage, I can use another wrench and put it on. If you have somebody old school with you, they'll show you this trick. If you need more leverage, you do that. And also I bought a wrench extension to get you more leverage. I think I reviewed that. So this is definitely awesome. Very comfortable, nice and clean. They have these 2 latches right here, 2 latches. You have a 15-degree angle with these. These are not completely flat. So you have an angle when you are down. So you see how it's going up in an angle like that. You have your angle. It's not completely flat, so you're not rubbing against nothing. I am looking to get more wrenches for the future because I told y'all I am upgrading the toolbox. This is what I deal with, you guys. So as y'all can see, all of these old tools I'm going to give away probably on Marketplace. I'll probably give it away for free. I don't know if I'm going to charge. I mean, there's a bunch of random tools. It ain't like it's like this. If it was like this in the case, nice and clean, something like that, then I'll probably charge. But something like this, I mean, I'm not going to do nothing with it. There is a size comparison. I don't have my measuring tape now, but this is the 3/8. And as you can see on my hand, it's half of my hand right there. And then you have your 1 inch, which is the biggest size. And then it's basically the size of my hand. So this seems about like 7 inches or so. All right. So just wanted to show y'all that, but that's it. Again, you get a rolling cover and everything. I'm loving this. Can't beat that, you guys. Well, they probably can beat it. I just have to check out their other wrenches that they have. They have a cool wrench that I want to get, a wrench set. So I think about looking at that, but there we go. Now we are on tight, and that will be it. This will definitely be very nice in the toolbox. Very cool. Nice, small, sleek. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.